Welcome to the sixth video in MobiDAX tutorial series, how to deploy a centralized cryptocurrency trading platform using open source software. In this video, we will deploy Bitcoin and Ethereum full nodes. We dive into the why you need these nodes in another video. Click on the pop-up banner up there to watch it. Let's start deploying. Alright guys, so in this video I will show you how to deploy Cryptonodes, especially Bitcoin and Ethereum nodes. So first of all, what we have to do is we have to go into our config app.yaml and make sure we have both Bitcoin and Ethereum enabled. So let's do just that. Let's skip to the bottom, and you can see here we have parity that is enabled by default, and then we have Bitcoin, which is enabled also. So that is great. We have both of them enabled. And let's go ahead and commit my changes so that they get pulled on both of my virtual machines. So let's do that. And this is actually the changes from the previous video that I forgot to commit. And they are for SMTP and Twilio configuration. So let's do that and then push. And then this should be pulled on both of our virtual machines. Now, after that is pulled, I'm going to SSH to both of the machines. Actually, I only need master machines, so I will SSH to that. Alright, so I SSH to my manager machine. Now, what I have to do here is I have to first render our config. Let's do that, okay. So we have all of the config rendered. Now we need to deploy our Cryptonodes. So we do it by running this command. And this should create for us Docker nodeless. Let's see. This should create for us a service for OpenDAX parity and Bitcoin. So let's see that. Yeah, we have both of the services. They don't seem to be replicated yet. But yes. Okay, I might know why that is, because these both two, they should be placed on the node that is labeled crypto. So crypto ETH and crypto BTC. So we have these node labels, and based on these labels, both of these services are deployed. Now, in order to spin up Cryptonodes, we have to do two things. So first of all, we have to create a directory, Bitcoin, right here. And we also have to do a chown on this directory. Right, so let's see. Okay, so our Bitcoin is starting up. Let's see. Sorry, it just has to be like this. Yep, so you can see it already started singing, which is great. So let's do that. We'll keep this node to BTC. And for Ethereum, we'll just use a separate machine, which is actually a good practice to use two different machines for both Cryptonodes, because they all both of them are resource extensive. So let's just do that. Okay, now I also have to SSH to my second machine and do chown there. So I'll show you what chown I'm talking about. It doesn't come out, so let's grab that. Okay, so I need to do this kind of chown on my second machine where the parity is running. So let's just SSH to that one. Okay, and now here let's do our chown. And now let's see here whether our parity service will be running. Yep, so just like that, we have both of the services running now. So we have both parity and Bitcoin running. Okay, there is a slight problem, but I think it will recover. All right, so we have both of them available now. And the second thing, yeah, so you can see parity is synchronizing as well. And the second thing that we have to do is we have to actually we have to create wallets. So why you need this type of wallets, I explain in another video that you can check out in the description. But here we'll just going to create them, both all of these wallets. So for parity, you need 4 wallets: deposit, hot, fee, and worm. So let's go ahead and do that. We have actually a handy rake task that allows you to do that. However, let's see whether we have parity. Yeah, we have it actually on this machine. Great. So let's create a deposit wallet, hot wallet, a fee wallet, a worm wallet, and now let's go ahead and do the same for Bitcoin. So we have Bitcoin D here. Let's execute to our Bitcoin D. I'll show you where the wallets for Ethereum are stored, the actual config. Right, so let's do this. Okay, actually, yep, so the port is wrong because this is production, so the port is like this. Now deposit and worm. Okay, perfect. So now what we have to do is we have to get out of this container. Then we have to go to app.yml, and we have to add all these wallets. So if you go here, here you can see that we actually have the wallets that we created using our rake task. They already automatically got parsed into here. So you can see all of them right here available. And now for BTC, let's add the addresses. Actually, this one was hot. So I'll just, I'll just add the addresses to all of the wallets. And worm wallet. Now, just like that, we have all of the wallets. We've created them and added them to the main configuration. Then when we're going to be deploying them, they will be used in our already deployed platform, which is great. This brings us to the end of the 6th video. Now that we have all of the required infrastructure prepared and configured, in the next video, we will go ahead and deploy all of the applications. I'm excited to be here and I hope you are too. Leave your comments and subscribe to MobiDAX channel. Most importantly, join our Telegram group and be a part of our community. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.